ki khubor ka bate si TV rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus Snem ya ka jing shakri ka jongka baden ais ngo bhasha baro kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 ar pusau
North Eastern Electric Power Corporation Limited haka artre urisa warajar phosau kala Shimti nak benta Snem kinthi ban Theh ye ki song Pynroi hak Shnong Mawkdok Dympep ka thong jong Neepco ban Shimti kini ki arli ki Shnong kalong ban wanra e jing kho jing suba ye ki Shnong ka thau hak ba anta shimru sagun kinong Shnong na ka Shnong Mawkdok Dympep ban siu da ka tulop bakin pin kho ye ki jabo jaban hapo ka Shnong ka thau man la ka sngi Shnong Mawkdok ka deru ko way nagi jaka jungo kai per Theh buju kring bha yegi nong jungo kai per Theh malaga sngi namar ka jingdon jaga jingking duan sing sim bat ka deru kalenti yat banle shigi jaka jungo kai per Theh kibiran ha ka Shnong sora lingba ka ni ka dega sinjam baga Neepco kala pendat ru dagi boarding pin thaba jingshai ka jingking duan sing sim kabla pinyap biet hadu kata kata ginong let nong wan bat ginong jungo kai per Theh kum ka jingpin stang ka jingpin kho ya Shnong Mawkdok pa Dympep ka Neepco kala IT ki borti Theh nyut ban thep ya ki tiar ki bapuot bagi bampon ya ka boarding ba pin thaba jingshai ka jingking duan sing sim la play pat ba du director personal major general RK Jha AVSM retired kat ba ya ki borti Theh nyut la IT de competition mukhim ka belong kum kongsan ha ka ni sngi Haga diga sngi ka Neepco kala penkuk buram ru ye council bi pasa kabla yo pediang dangshan ya kusnam Padma Shri naga present kari India bar kum joru e competition mukim kum gajing itho ya gajing treshitam ben penkho ya ka wa or kalyar
the sense of Khasi way of living. I think people are very friendly, very simple, very humble. So I think just about few weeks ago or maybe about 10 days ago when I came here with the intention of doing something sustainable for the people of Dympep, I was in two minds whether will it be sustainable or not. But after having seen the involvement and commitment of the people of Dympep, ably supported by my colleagues from Neepco, I am more than convinced that the word adoption that I have used for adopting this place, this tourism hub of Dympep, I think I stand more than vindicated. So I think a round of applause for the lovely people of Dympep, please. Talk about this project and my plans or our plans and dream for this place. I would also like to acknowledge the contribution of Padam Shri Shilpi Pasha. Thank you very much, madam, for your contribution to the arts and culture of the society and India at large. We are privileged. I had never seen such rendition. So thank you very much. Coming to the Swachhata campaign, I think our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi started this campaign on 2nd of October 2014, and he gave a clarion call that we need to start thinking about cleanliness, we need to start living clean, we need to start spreading awareness about cleanliness, hygiene and sanitation. Because if we did not do that, and if we continue to stay in an environment which was dirty, not only your physical environments were contaminated, your mind also gets contaminated if you stay in a dirty environment. This morning I was talking of the disease load. You always say that a healthy mind and a healthy body is always welcome, and I think the basic ingredient is clean environment. So 10 years down the line, India has come a long way. And to quote from our Prime Minister's speech this morning at the Gyan Bhavan on completion of 10 years of Swachhata mission, he used a very interesting analogy. He says 1,000 years from today, 1,000 years from today, when people read history, they will take note of the fact that this Swachhata mission campaign of India is the largest, the biggest, self-sustaining, and that's because every Indian has become a part of it, what he called the Jan Bhagidari. It's a movement for the people and by the people. And so, I'm very happy to see the involvement today. Neepco has taken it upon himself, because of our pan-northeastern India presence, that we will ensure that we spread the awareness, and in our own little way, we will contribute towards assisting the local population wherever we are in ensuring that they have a safe, clean environment to live in.